Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. Today, I want to share with you the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. Today, we're going to be talking about healthy boundaries. This writing prompt is inspired by the King of Cups tarot card from the Rider-Waite deck, which you can find linked down below in the description. This card represents water, business, commerce, law, trade, and fairness. The King of Cups holds a short scepter in his left hand and a great cup in his right. His throne is set upon the sea. On one side, a ship is riding on the waves, and the other, a dolphin is leaping. The sign of cups naturally refers to water, which appears in all the court cards of this deck. Our business and life, whether personal or work-related, can wash over each other and cause waves of emotion to wash over us from either side when we least expect it. In order to create a sense of fairness and personal boundaries for ourselves, we need to regulate our time, on and off the clock, as if it were a business or trade. Rigid boundaries are good for some, but some of us need the flexibility and fluidity that water provides us. What kind of boundaries do you need in your life right now? Rigid, structured laws, or fluid water that moves with you? What are 3 ways you can implement or strengthen these boundaries to help regulate the emotions of personal and work life from impacting each other? Now let's dive into my private personal entry into my journal for this exact same question. It's so interesting that this has come up today. I just decided yesterday that I needed to reevaluate my boundaries for work and pacification time, aka TV and YouTube time. Work has been so stressful that during any downtime, all I want to do is escape. And the TV is the fastest and most effective way that I can get that dopamine hit of escapism. In work, I need rigid structure, so I track my time and time block everything. But I don't know what kind of structure I need for personal time so that I can have a little time to relax and have time to accomplish my goals, which have sat dormant for the last month and a half, not for lack of trying. The 3 things that I'm trying to address this are: number 1, tracking my current downtime for 2 weeks. Number 2, rearranging my phone screens to allow for purposeful, intentional use. Number 3, no work on the weekends, less TV, and more creating and painting. So what is your answer to this month's prompt? If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts, get my book, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 Mindfulness Journal Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them. Order your copy today. The link is in the description. And if you like tarot cards and journaling, get my book, The Daily Tarot Journal, Uncovering the Art of the One-Card Tarot Reading. It includes 3 monthly overview spreads, 3 monthly tarot logs, daily journal pages with 8 writing prompts, and 3 end-of-the-month reviews. Order your copies of both journals today. The link is in the description. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow our Owls and Indigo tribe. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!